In this video, we are going to see how we can split our simple date field into years and months, and also how we can get the values for, let's say, different regions in the Tableau. And then let's say we want to convert this analysis into bars. How we can do that? Let's see. First of all, let's insert a brand new worksheet and let's put the dates in the rows. So by default, it will show you the year-wise data. In this example, we have 2 years, 2024 and 2025. So if we want to convert it into months, we can simply do that by switching it to months. But the problem is it will show you this way or like this. But since we want to see the year-wise months, because we have 2 years, what we'll do is just we will keep this first one 2 years. And then we will put this again. The date we will just hold and drag it to the rows again. By default, it will pick up the quarter wise. And again, if we hold and drag, it will further categorize this as months. But if we want to convert this quarter to months, let's say, we can do that as well. So now we have the year 2024 and year 2025 data separately in months where we can make the analysis. Let's switch it to entire view so that we can get a broader view of this. Let's say we want the region wise view. So just region, hold that and paste it in the columns. And we have all the table arranged. We just have to put the values. Now guys, if you want to make the analysis, what you can do is just put the sales amount wherever we want. You can put it here and you can see different analysis showing here. But otherwise, if you want to see the values, just hold the sales amount and put it right at the center to show the values. But let's say that we want to see the sales amount in the graphical form. Let's put the sales amount and put it in the regions and we will see the sales like this. You can convert it to bars however we want and we have this kind of view. But if we just want to switch it to values, we hold the sales amount and put it in the data field and not on the rows and columns from the top. So that's how we can do it to make a simple year-wise monthly analysis in the data values. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.